Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming eligibility and passport validity. Do this now so nothing blocks you later. Once done, gather ID, travel itinerary, bank statements, invitation letters, and any supporting documents, because uploads must be complete. Next, create a GC key or sign-in partner account on the ERC portal. Save your username and password securely. After that, start a new visitor visa application, choose whether to apply online or on paper, and select the country where you'll submit biometrics so you can book an appointment next. Now complete the core forms carefully. IMM 5257 and the family information form when applicable, because inconsistencies trigger delays. Once filled, scan valid documents as single-page or multi-page PDFs, label them clearly, and keep each under 4 MB to avoid upload errors. Then pay the visa and biometric fees online with a credit card. Make sure to save the payment receipt and transaction ID. After payment clears, the portal will allow you to schedule biometrics and the visa appointment. Proceed to select a convenient VAC or VFS slot. Finally, book your biometrics appointment at the nearest VAC or VFS center as soon as slots appear, because early dates reduce processing time. Bring your passport, payment receipt, and all original documents to the appointment, and attend any interview if requested. Be concise and honest. Once completed, monitor your application online and await the decision. If something goes wrong, like upload failures or missing docs, contact the VAC immediately, re-upload corrected files, and keep proof of every submission and communication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.